In today's video, I'm going to quickly show you how to link your WhatsApp in here to another device. Let's say that you do have two mobile devices. One is an Android device, another one is an iPhone, or two iPhones, or even two Android phones, because this works on any mobile device. I'm going to show you how to link both of the devices so you can actually get the same message or same updates or same chat conversation on two multiple devices simultaneously. We're going to sync two devices so you can actually interact with people on WhatsApp in a much convenient way, especially if you are, for example, at the office and you do have two workers at the entrance or at the secretary, and you want both of them to have access to the WhatsApp or to the business account of your company on WhatsApp, so you can use this method in here. Hey, my name is Shaq, and in this channel I help you fixing tech related content, and I also share cool tech hacks as well. So if you're into tech content, consider subscribing here to the YouTube channel. Now, jumping straight into this tutorial in here, you can actually link iPads, iPhones, Android devices, even MacBook devices. If you do have, for example, WhatsApp web or the application, even laptop, Windows laptops as well, it works pretty well. Now in here, since I only have one phone, in order to show it to you how it works, I do have two WhatsApps in here. This is the very first one, and this is the second WhatsApp app in here. So let's pretend that the second one is actually a different device, right? So the very first thing you're gonna do in here, of course, you wanna download WhatsApp on the specific device, which is already here, my second one. You wanna hop here into the main WhatsApp, you wanna tap on settings, and then you wanna simply tap in here on this little QR code in here, and then you wanna give a look at this QR code in here that we've got. Next up, we're gonna close WhatsApp. We're gonna open the second phone or the second WhatsApp from where we wish to actually link that specific device. Tap on agree and continue as if you are setting up a brand new account. Next up, I'm gonna tap on use different number, and then you do have three dots here at the top right corner. So you want to tap on those three dots in here real quick. And then here's the trick. You want to tap on link as a companion device. This will be the second device in here that will be the linked one, right? So in here, all you want to do is simply close this, reopen WhatsApp on the other device. Okay, so I missed in here. You do not need to come here. You just need to tap on linked devices in here real quick, and then tap on link device. Now tap on OK, and this pop-up will show up where you do have a window with your camera. So my camera is on. All I want to do is take my phone and position in here on this screen where we do have this QR code in here on the second device. So all you want to do is position in here. This will essentially scan that QR, and then your device will automatically link the other one to your WhatsApp account, and everything will be synced in just a few seconds. Next up, you're good to go. Now, in case you are trying to link with an iPad or with a MacBook or with the laptop, the process is the same. You just need to download WhatsApp, tap on link companion, open your phone in here and scan that QR code, and you'll be good to go. In just 5 to 6 seconds, your phone will be linked to the other one and you'll be good to go. That's how you can actually link your WhatsApp to another device seamlessly in just a few seconds. I hope you find my content useful, and if you find my content useful, consider subscribing. I'll see you in the next one. Have a great day.